So these are my favorite scissors I like to use to cut my lace. They're straight, but you just want to cut. I like to cut my laces in 2 pieces, and you want to get as close to the hairline as possible. You know, some people would do 4, which is, I guess, kind of cool too. And then you just kind of just want to go in like a zigzag motion, or like not, yeah, zigzag motion, so that it's going to give a very, very natural look versus straight. So kind of lift the baby hair a little bit. You don't want to cut it. See, very easy. And then you still have your baby hair. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna go in. Forgot to tell you. Yeah, you always want to cut this part off first. I usually cut that part off first. Obviously for reasons, so thick, and it makes it look really, it stands out a lot. So just want to cut this part off. And take your time, especially when you're learning, because it definitely is a process. You don't want to cut too much. So I would say for if you have baby hairs, then yeah, you should do I would do like the here. I would cut like four slits in my lace. It just makes it, you know, a little cleaner. Remember, you want to try to get close to the hairline as possible. Zigzag cut. See? It's good. And then I'm going to do this side. This side is a little harder to do, so I think I'm going to do this one. So I'm kind of doing it line-sided in a sense. Was going to take it offline, but I think I'm doing it. I think I'm handling it well. Yeah, perfect. So that's that. And then I'm going to restyle the wig so it can lay down a little bit more, and then fix my baby hairs a little bit better. But yeah, that's how you cut your lace. Easy.